Hello folks, it's Deepak here from the Rural London Garden. I hope you guys are doing well. We're here at the front of the garden and I just want to show you what we have growing here, guys. We have calendulas, dahlias, zinnias, garden mums. They should be blooming soon, maybe in a month or so. I cut them back so it bushes out. Colliuses. Collius is sort of shriveling up. I think I need to water them a little bit. We have a few here. We've got pansies, violas. I'm not sure what that one. I don't know what this one is called, but it's a perennial and it grows every year. Here we have sweet peas. More sweet peas here. These have finished flowering, and you can see they look like normal sugar snap peas. And once they turn a brown color, like a cardboard texture, we can actually collect these seeds and sow them next year. So they are amazing, very fragrant. These lovely mini roses are great too, perennials. I need to put these slightly in the middle because it's being hidden by the sweet peas. Here, more sweet peas. Succession sowing is very important, guys. So we have flowers growing pretty much most of the year, depending on the variety, but it's nice to sow every 2 to 3 weeks. So these are finished flowering, but also these have started flowering and they're very fragrant. So I'll be collecting a lot of these sweet pea seeds. Here we have foxgloves. Again, made a little mistake. This should be slightly at the front of the bed, but we learned from that. On this side, we've got lilies growing. These are from last year, guys. Once they're finished flowering, all you do is just cut from the top of the soil and just put them somewhere. Put this container somewhere on the side and just forget about it until early next year. There you go. These have puffed up quite well. They'll be flowering soon. And the busy bees love them. More here. Fuchsia plant. This is a perennial. This grows every year. A lovely neighbor gave us a cutting last year and we just popped it in this pot here. As you can see, it's doing well. Obviously, I need to repot this fuchsia, probably in a bigger container or at the bed. This, I forgot what you call it. It's a perennial, it grows every year. They look quite nice actually. It's a bedding plant. Marigolds. These are self-seeded in the same container. I didn't actually sow any seeds here. They finished flowering and they just fall into the soil and next year they'll start regrowing. Pansies sown from seed, doing good. I also planted snapdragon seeds in this container. They're doing well. And they're quite hardy actually. They can handle the winter in the UK. They'll grow every year. More marigolds. One thing about containers is we have to keep an eye on the watering. They dry very quickly, so every 2 days we have a routine of watering in the evening. The other side of the front garden we have more dahlias, and this is the most shadiest part, and you can see they can handle the shade. I planted this one from seed, so I'm hoping in the next month or so we'll get a blooming great display. Garden mums here as well. I'll cut these back again so it's nice and bushy and we'll get a lovely flush of colour. And more dahlia there, another couple of dahlia plants there. guys, that's enough of my chit chat. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. The back of the garden with the fruit and veg doing amazingly well. So I'm gonna ping probably a video on that pretty much in the next couple of weeks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take it easy and stay safe.